Hi, everyone, and welcome to your writing lesson. This is number 29. Let's see what we've been doing and what we're going to do next. Okay, so let's talk about what's happening. We're finishing our experiment first in our composition book, then on nice paper. Many of you are already finished. Great. And we thought of a topic that we know a lot about and subtopics. We wrote that in our memo book. Then we created a table of contents. And last time we said that we started writing about our topic. We're writing a draft. Remember, a draft is like a practice writing. So this must go in the notebook. If you put it onto your pretty paper first, all you're going to do is go back and erase and erase and erase. So put it in the composition notebook first. Okay, we're still working on our draft. And we're using the table of contents as a guide. Okay, so if the first item in our table of contents is what is skateboarding, that's what your first page is going to be about. Tell us what skateboarding is. If the second item in your table of contents is safety equipment, that's what you're going to write about next. So now I want you to think about how to make your writing better. And if you look here at the top, it says use transition words to make your writing flow. So transition words, I've talked about these before. I didn't talk about them too much, but it's time. It's time for us to start using them. They're so important. And here are some examples of transition words. These are things that help our writing get longer. It helps us connect our ideas smoothly. So we can use something like this to begin with. In fact, another reason it's important to know also last. For example, first, what this means is next, and there are lots more. And just be careful. I've included a comma with the ones that have to have one. If you don't see a comma here, it's probably not necessary to use it. Okay? So make sure you use these. You don't have to use all of them, but it is very important to help you connect your sentences together and add more information. Okay? Now, what you were trying to do with all of these is this word here, elaborate. Now, elaborate, what does that mean? It just means we're trying to give more information. We want to ask why, when, how, where. Okay? This will help give all of the information about your topic. Elaborate on your topic by asking questions and making your writing flow from one idea to the other. So let's take a look at this sentence, which has no elaboration. Look at this. It is important to wear a helmet when riding a bicycle. Okay, well, it's a good sentence. It's got a capital letter at the beginning, it's got a period at the end. But if I'm the reader, I have a problem because I understand the sentence, but you haven't explained why. So now I'm not really getting all of the information that you can give me. But you can elaborate using transition words like this. It is important to wear a helmet when riding a bicycle. To begin with, it keeps you safe. Also, it is the law. In fact, you could be stopped by the police for not wearing one. Look at that, those red words, to begin with. Also, in fact, all of these helped us get more information out and make our writing longer. The first sentence is okay. That's the one that we had up here. But by itself, it just isn't enough. So I need you to elaborate and use words to make your sentences longer and to make us get more information from what you're saying. And by the way, it is true. You really should wear a helmet when riding your bicycle. Okay, so remember, you're working on your draft and you want to make your draft long and strong, okay? And the best way to do it is to use transition words to help you elaborate. Okay, keep writing. I can't wait to hear about how you're doing. The end.